Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert currency on PayPal. First thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on PayPal, click the sign up option and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, converting currency on PayPal is beneficial, especially if you're frequently engaged in international transactions. For example, if you are dealing with international clients or customers, converting currency on PayPal can simplify transactions because it allows you to send and receive payments in different currencies without the need for multiple bank accounts in different countries. Now, for you to be able to do that, I need you to go to your wallet. Now, as you can see, this is going to be your currency calculator. And if you wanted to add a currency, you can also click on this option to save your time. Now, if you wanted to convert a specific currency, such as the GBP or the British pound, all you have to do is click on the three dots icon here. You can also click on the make primary, click on done. What will happen is that is automatically going to be converted. You no longer have to click on the convert currency because PayPal will automatically do that for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.